Hey guys, this is Raghav from Headphone Zone. Today I'm very excited because we have with us the Chord Mojo. This is a digital to analog converter and a headphone amplifier from the UK that I had a chance to try out recently, and it's completely changed the way I listen to my music. So I had to get on this video and tell you all about it. Let me try and break it down and explain the concept a little bit. Now, all the music that we consume today is all in a digital format, be it in our smartphones, in our laptops, or our MP3 players. The convenience of carrying thousands of songs in your smartphone, in your pocket, is just incredible. The only problem with that is that our ears and our headphones are not digital, they're analog. So what that means is if you're going to have to enjoy this music, at some point of time the audio needs to change from a digital to an analog format. Now, that's where a DAC, a digital to analog converter, comes into place. While all our smartphones and laptops have some sort of a DAC inbuilt, they're woefully inadequate and sound very ordinary, especially if you're going to use it with high-end headphones. Most don't even support a high-resolution audio format. The Chord Mojo replaces that, simply put, with the Rolls-Royce of the DAC world. In a snapshot, its processing capacity is nearly 500 times that of any standard DAC. As compared to the latest Apple iPhone, the Chord Mojo's audio output is nearly 30 times more powerful, and its dynamic range is nearly 33% wider. That's incredible. The Chord Mojo is a DAC par excellence. Now, Chord Electronics have been pioneers in the field of DAC technology, and they've released several groundbreaking products, including the Chord Hugo, which is considered as the best that money can buy. I remember seeing the Chord Hugo for the first time at a Headphone Connect event in Mumbai. Now, they take all of that technology and apply it to a much smaller product that for the first time is truly pocket-sized and portable. It's also giving you the audio performance that's nearly as good as the Hugo, but at nearly 1/4 of the price. It's simply extraordinary. The Chord Mojo is essentially designed to be used with any smartphone that's out there, and it instantly turns it into a high-resolution audio player. It's incredibly versatile, works with laptops, tablets, and even gaming consoles, making their audio output sound more punchier, more articulate, more realistic, and more enjoyable. Now, the difference is frankly very hard to describe until you hear it for yourself. But I can tell you that once I heard it, there was no going back. The Chord Mojo is designed to make an impact, make a difference, no matter what kind of file format you use or what kind of headphones you use it with. It's your music, the way you listen to it, but just better. Let's take a closer look at the Chord Mojo. Now, John Franks, the CEO and founder of Chord Electronics, is an avionics engineer, and we see design influences from the aircraft engineering field in the Chord Mojo right away. It's a single block of aircraft-grade aluminium, making it phenomenally well-built and durable. It's polished to a perfect matte black. My favorite feature has to be the 3 marble-like buttons that light up in the different colors of the rainbow. The main power button changes color based on the quality of the source audio format you're using. So not only can you hear the difference from a better source, you can actually see the difference too. The volume buttons too change color based on the output level being chosen. I love to play around with the buttons, and in the hand the Mojo feels very well designed, ergonomic, portable, and easy to use. In terms of connectivity, again the Mojo is phenomenally versatile. The inputs include a micro USB, a coaxial, and an optical jack. There is a separate micro USB port for charging the device to ensure that there's no electrical noise interfering with the device while it's charging. Also, there are no buttons or jacks to select the input. The Mojo automatically detects it and does everything else for you seamlessly. For outputs, there are 2 identical 3.5mm headphone jacks. And I love that because not only can I share the music that I'm listening to without a drop in audio quality, but I can also do several blind tests with 2 different headphones easily. 10 hours of battery life means that this can be used on the go for extended periods of time. In terms of file formats, the Mojo supports virtually every conceivable kind of audio format, from an MP3 to a FLAC and lossless formats, all the way up to DSD-256. Now, it can process audio from 44.1 kHz to an incredible 768 kHz. The output power of the Chord Mojo is at 750 milliwatts. What that means is that it can drive even the hardest to drive headphones with ease, all in this pocket-sized package that frankly is incredible. Chord has also recently launched the Chord Mojo cable pack, which comes along with a wide range of cables specifically meant to be used to connect the Mojo with a wide range of devices out there. They include a micro USB to micro USB cable that I use with my Android phone, and an OTG cable that works great to connect with a variety of smartphones. There's also an optical Toslink cable and a whole bunch of other really neat accessories that I should highly recommend you check out. I should also mention that I use a FIO L19 lightning to micro USB connector along with my iPhone, and it works absolutely great. Setting up the Chord Mojo to use with any of these devices is simply a plug and play operation. There's really no effort at all, and the Mojo works seamlessly. That's it for the Chord Mojo today, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd highly recommend that you come and check them out yourself and experience the difference at a Headphone Connect event that's happening near you. In the meanwhile, if you'd have any questions or want to talk about anything at all, feel free to call us or drop us a line. More details on how you can do that in the description section below. This is Raghav here from Headphone Zone. Thank you so much and see you next time.